Hi guys, in this video I'm going to answer to a question that I have received in my comment section. So the question is, I have a table in which already 5 records are inputted, and in the table we have 3 columns. Now we need to add a new column and insert the data. Okay, so we have to insert data without creating a new table. Let's see how to solve this question. So basically you can solve this question by adding a new column to the existing table and update the records without creating new table. So let's see the solution. So first step, you have to add a new column to the existing table. To add a new column, you have to first alter the table and your table name. So here you have to provide your table name. With the next you have to give add keyword and then give the new column name of your table and provide the appropriate data type. For example, int varchar depending on your new column. Okay. Next, in the next step, you have to update the records. So to update the records, you have to uh, write the SQL query like update your table name and set your new column name and the actual value of your new column. So you want to update the table based on the condition, right? So you have to write where and provide the condition here. So let's see with some example. So in this example, let's assume we have an employees table where we have 3 columns like ID, name, and department. And now we want to add the column age. Okay, so first we will add the column to the table by using alter table, table name, add, and the new column name is int. Next you have to provide the data type. So age is a integer type, so we are providing int as a data type. So first once you run this query, you will see that the new column is added to the table. Next we will write the one more query to update the data into this age column. So to update data into the age column, you have to update, our table name is employees, set, you have to set the value for age column is equal to 30, where id in 1 2 3 4 5. So once you run this query, all the records, as in the previous step we have added a new column age. So when you create a new column, there won't be any data present in that table, in that column. So once you set the age is equal to 30, where id in 1 2 3 4 5, all the records in the table is updated with the value 30. So I hope this tutorial is helpful to you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe.